Hello children, I am Shomita ma'am back again with ICSE sample paper for chemistry 2021. Please do subscribe to my channel, like and share if you like. This is the general instruction that you're going to get in the beginning of the paper. Chemistry science paper, it is paper 2 and it's going to be of 2 hours duration. Answer to this paper must be written on the paper provided separately. You will not be allowed to write during the first 15 minutes. This time is to be spent in reading the question paper, and the time given at the head of this paper is the time allowed for writing the answers. Section 1 is compulsory and attempt any 4 questions from section 2. The intended marks for questions or parts of questions are given in brackets. From section 1 I have taken only few questions. Choose the correct option type question I have taken to give you an idea of the type of question that are expected this year. Which of the following is a common characteristic of a covalent compound? So amongst all the characteristics, I feel consist of molecule will be the correct option. Then ammonium hydroxide will produce a reddish brown precipitate when added to a solution of which one? So it is supposed to be ferric chloride. Hydrogen chloride can be obtained by adding concentrated sulfuric acid to. So what do you think? I feel sodium chloride. If you have any other opinion, please do write in the comment box and let me know your opinion. Which of the following reactions give copper as a product? I feel heating copper oxide. Formation of chloroform from methane and chlorine is an example of substitution reaction. We move on with the second section where you have 40 marks. You have to attempt any 4 questions from this section. Some expected questions are: the following questions refer to the periodic table. Name the second last element of the period 3. How many elements are in the second period? Name the element which has the highest electron affinity. Name the element which has the highest electronegativity. Name the element which may be placed on group 1 but is not a metal. So all these answers, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section and I shall try to reply you back at the earliest. Fill in the blanks. Metals have ionization potential low or high. Group 18 elements have dash valence electrons with the exception of dash with dash electrons in valence shell. Group 2 elements are called dash metals. Of course, alkaline earth metal, isn't it? How will you distinguish between the following pairs? Copper sulfate and iron sulfate by using NH4OH. So definitely you have to mention about the color of the precipitate obtained. Zinc nitrate and lead nitrate, and iron sulfate, iron 2 sulfate and iron 3 sulfate. Of course, iron 2 sulfate, you know, it's going to give a dirty green precipitate, whereas iron 3 sulfate is going to give a reddish brown precipitate. Next, you have to name a greenish yellow gas with pungent smell and an oxide which is yellow when hot and white when cold. Isn't it zinc oxide? A chemical used to deplete ozone layer. This is not part of your syllabus though this year. A crystalline salt without water or crystallization. It can be sodium chloride. Name one metal liquid at room temperature. A non-metal which is a conductor of electricity. A neutral oxide. Metallic oxide which cannot be reduced by hydrogen. And a non-metal which has luster. Name the chief ore of aluminium. Name the process used to concentrate the above mentioned ore. Why is alumina added to cryolite in the electrolytic reduction of aluminium? Give cathode and anode reactions involved extraction of aluminium from its above mentioned ore. Of course, you're going to mention bauxite as the ore used. A compound has the following percentage, so you'll be provided with the percentage of the various elements and you have to calculate the empirical formula and molecular formula. The vapor density provided is 44 and the atomic masses will also be provided in the question. Give the electron dot structure of the following. So most expectedly we are expecting hydronium ion this time, methane and ammonia. It can be ammonium also. Last time it was not given. Compare the properties of covalent and electrovalent compounds on the following points. On the basis of solubility and on the basis of structure. Thank you. Thanks for watching. More questions, expected questions for 2021 exam will be uploaded very soon. Keep watching, keep sharing, and if you really like the video, please do comment in the comment section. Thank you.